All right, guys, for 2026, some of the trends I've been seeing is for commercial vehicles is going to be doing a solid color and doing decals on it. Typically in the past, we always do a lot of full color graphics with it has a lot of busyness in it, and all the graphics are printed into the wrap. For 2026, I don't know, it could be wrong, but I feel like a lot of people are going with something a little bit simpler but still effective. For example, this car right here, this van for Salinas Tires, this one, the vehicle came in white, and we wrapped it in the colors by 3M called white aluminum. So we wrapped the whole van in this like really light silver, and then we added the decals on top of it. So just because it's a commercial vehicle doesn't mean you have to go crazy and do a lot of different colors. You can, if that's the style you like, we could do that as well. But something like this is also effective. It's impactful. It gives it a look like almost like if it was a paint job, but it's not. We added black die cut decals here. The Salinas logo that you see right here, that was digitally printed and installed. From standing from up far, you're still gonna be able to see it, and it gets the job done. Up there, we got the number in bold letters in black, so you can see it. We even the customer said they want to simplify it a little bit. We put their address here so people know where they have the stores, which is La Puente, La Habra, Westminster, and they have another location in La Habra, right? They got one on Whittier Boulevard and one on Monte Vista. Back here, same thing. We kind of just kept the simplicity going around. Simplicity going around. That's our neighbor. Big phone number on top, logo on the back. This one's specifically for Westminster, so you can see we put Westminster here because that's what they're trying to push. Again, kept it simple: wheels, tires, brakes, lifting and lowering, straight to the point to what they're trying to offer the customers. And obviously, they do a lot more than that. Financing available, so you got no money down. They're missing a panel right here. That's something they're going to fix and change. But I'm pretty sure once they get some wheels on here, it's going to look really good. And I don't know, but I think they got inspiration from my van over there. I don't know if you can record that. That's our company van. And same thing with me. I drive that van a lot. I turned it from like a just work van to a / work van personal. So we got some method wheels on there with some 31s and 32s. I also got them from Salinas Tires. We went with the OC Wraps logo on there. Can we check it out over here? OC Wraps logo in black. I just felt that matched really good with the tint. Matched really well with the wheels. We kept it simple. Expel is one of the brands that we use for PPF. One of the best brands we have for PPF. For vinyl, we like to use 3M. Again, we're promoting PPF, tint, and ceramic coatings. QR code, kept it really simple. So I feel like this has been probably 6th vehicle we've done where it's been a solid color with decals. And again, I think it's not so loud, and people are kind of going back to some of the basics. A wrap like this, we're actually pushing that right now because we're able to do save some money. Besides the fact that it's a little simpler and cleaner, we're able to save some money for you guys, because then we can use a solid color and add graphics instead of printing everything on this vehicle. We could save you a little bit of money by doing that. So if you guys got any questions, would like to get a quote, hit us up at ocwraps.com. Thank you.